Hello and welcome back for another episode with your favorite project lead the way teacher, Mr. Spade. Today we're going to continue studying for our physical properties test, and this video is meant for those that either missed a significant amount of time in class or would like to retake my test but need to show me that their skills have improved since the last time they took it. So I will share my screen with you, and what we are going to talk about today is surface area. So surface area is the area of all the surfaces that you see in an object. So the area of this flat side on the cylinder plus two of the tops. Either way, math gurus tell us this equation. We use the equation to figure out how much area is on the surface. It's used for things like how much paint do we need to coat a certain object, or how much actual rug do we need to buy in order to cover a floor surface. So area is very, very useful. We measure it in square units. So if we measure in feet, then we'd have square feet. If we measure in inches, we would have square inches. Area when in regards to circle, rectangle, and triangle. So let's go back to our ones in our video of volume, and let's calculate the surface area for the parts that we had here. Just see if I can zoom this in a little bit better. Come on. There. All right. All right, so we had a sphere, and our sphere had a radius of 1.25. Again, we found that I gave you, and we took that diameter, divided it by 2 in order to get our radius. So that's just what we did over here. We need a formula for a surface area of a sphere because I don't have that memorized. So surface area of a sphere is 4 times pi times r squared. So coming back here, I just wrote that down. We know pi is 3.14. We know our radius is 1.25 in this problem. So we have 4 times 3.14 times 1.25 squared. So if you have a lovely calculator like this one, a TI-30X, that allows you to see what exactly you type in, we can go ahead and just go 4 times, you can use the pi button instead of 3.14, times 1.25 squared. And just get your answer, 19.63. And this is inches squared. Or if you have a dummy calculator like me, I would type it in like this. 4 times 3.14 times 1.25 times 1.25. Notice that 1.25 squared is just 1.25 times 1.25 equals the exact same thing. Okay, so that's that one. That's our sphere. Let's do our cylinder. So surface area of a cylinder, we had a height of 3.67 inches. We had a diameter of 1.25 inches for a radius of 0.625 inches. Make sure you follow along with that. I took my diameter, divided it by 2 to get my radius. So surface area of a cylinder is right here. Long equation. 2 times pi times r times h plus 2 times pi times radius squared. Okay, so let's plug our numbers in because we know r, we know h, we know pi, we know r, so we're good here. We just need to make sure that we type it into our calculator right. So 0.625 times 3.67 plus 2 times 3.14 times 0.625 squared, and I'll put my parentheses around there. Okay, big long equation. The way I break this up on a dumb calculator would be to do this first, to do this second, and then add them last. So let's do that on our dummy calculator. So we have 2 times 3.14 times 0.625 times 3.67 And that is going to equal 14.40. We'll just leave it right there. And then I have 2 times 3.14 times 0.625 times 0.625. So I have 2.45. Add the two together. I already have this one plugged in, so plus 14.40 equals. So I have a surface area of 16.85. This was in inches, so inches squared. Hopefully that helps you out with surface area. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you next time.